In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to screen and sleep time in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, we need to bring up our control panel. How we can do so, navigate at the button search bar here, type for control panel. Once you've typed it, please proceed to the best match and click on open to continue. So in a few moments, you will be redirected to the control panel window. Please wait until everything are ready here before you proceed. So you will be able to see all of the computer settings. If your window doesn't look like this, simply proceed with the view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once you're done, please proceed on the locating for power options, which is in my case, it's being placed at the fifth column, which is next to keyboard. So please click on it. And in that way, you would be able to bring up this one where you can choose or customize a power plan. So it will also show you the selected power plan of your computer. In my case, I have selected the balance, which is the recommended one. Or if you have selected the high performance or power saver, if you have to, in my case, I don't have such, just select the change plan settings aligning to it on the selected power plan that you have selected here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And since I have selected the balance, then I'm going to click on this change plan settings next to it. Okay, so you would be able to see a window like this. Anyway, they have similar windows on words for that. Okay, just select the plan that you have selected. Okay, so you can see there, turn off the display. All you need to do is you need to click on this one, and there you can change the time where you can turn off the sleep here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so in my case, I'll be setting it 25 minutes. So 25 minutes after, I mean, in 25 minutes, my screen will turn off or my screen will go to sleep. Okay, in order to change the lock screen time, all you need to do is you need to navigate with the second option, which is to put computer to sleep. Click on this down arrow key. Okay, oh, sorry, my bad. I have interchanged that. I mean, when you go with the turn off the display, you would be able to change the lock screen time and not the sleep time. My bad. Sorry for that. And if you would go with the put the computer to sleep, just click on this down arrow key and select the time where you would want your computer to sleep. So in my case, after 25 minutes, my computer will sleep after it. Okay. And my computer will also go to lock screen the moment it would pass or it would be in 25 minutes after. So in order to make any changes, click on save changes and in that way you would be able to change the lock screen and the sleep time in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and as well as this and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.